Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to turn on Ultra Data Saving mode on your Samsung device. So let's start. First, open Settings on your Samsung device and tap on Connections. Now go to Data Usage and tap on Data Saver and turn it on. Now tap on Allow App while Data Saver on. Now allow the apps which you want to use while your data saver is on. Now go back and tap on Billing Cycle and Data Warning. Enable Set Data Limit and tap on Data Limit. And set data limit according to your preferences. Now tap on Data Warning. Set the data warning according to your preferences. And that's how you turn on Ultra Data Saving mode. And if you're using Samsung J series, then you'll have the Ultra Data Saving mode here. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.